Hi, my name is Arthur Ingram. I'm a licensed insurance agent. Today we're going to be discussing how to obtain auto insurance if I have a lapse in coverage or if I have bad credit or both. If you find yourself in a situation such as that where you have a lapse in coverage, meaning you didn't pay your premiums and your auto insurance company canceled your policy, so now you've been driving around without any coverage, and you go to insurance companies to get a quote and they say, well, we don't want to insure you because you've just been driving around without coverage and haven't been paying your bills, which will happen. You will get that from some companies. Or the alternative, if your credit is low, typically that won't result in you not being able to obtain credit, but what it will do is it will affect your rate. So you will be getting higher rates for a lower credit score, but it's not going to be something that's going to kind of exclude the opportunity for you to get auto insurance. So when you find yourself in this situation, the best thing to do is, one, to contact an independent agent. They are brokers. They represent multiple insurance companies. And the benefit that is to you is that when you come in the door, once you explain, hey, I've had a lapse in coverage, do you have any companies that will offer me insurance? Or, hey, my credit's not great. Do you know of any companies that don't kind of favor that as heavily, that's not as heavy as a factor in their rating? An independent agent, they represent multiple companies, so they will have options to kind of respond to your specific situation. So I recommend you do that. You look for an independent insurance agent and give them your scenario, and they'll know when you come in the door kind of which company will be a good fit for you, and they'll quote you there. But also go online. The danger with going online in this situation is that oftentimes what they'll do is they'll try to get you to obtain a quote, and they won't really end up asking you about any tickets or accidents, and they'll just want to give you this is our rate, and then the process to kind of actually have them order your motor vehicle reports and credit scores and answer the questions if you've had lapse coverage may come later in the process, which may frustrate you after seeing those rates that don't really apply to you. So be ready for that if you go down that route. Really, at this point, you're looking to get back on track. Try to avoid lapses in coverage. And as far as your credit score, getting that higher and kind of keeping an eye on it is definitely going to pay dividends to you in the long run, especially in the world of auto insurance. Companies are increasingly scoring their rates based on credit more and more. So it's definitely in your advantage to work on that, and it's definitely not impossible for you to find coverage today. I hope this helps you, and I know it will. Again, my name is Arthur Ingram. I'm a licensed insurance agent, and today we discussed how to obtain auto insurance if you've had a lapse in coverage or bad credit.